National Weather Service in Milwaukee Sullivan has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for east central Greene County in south central Wisconsin, northwestern Rock County in south central Wisconsin, southeastern Dane County in south central Wisconsin until 6:15 p.m. At 5:50 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Albany or near Evansville, moving northeast at 40 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Cooksville, Stoughton, Edgerton, Evansville, and Albany. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go at once into the basement or small central room in a sturdy structure. For your protection, move to an